You're lazy.
Lazy. Oh, I want some ice cream.
Oh, she got ice
Because
cream.
here it's good for you.
When you eat ice cream in the clubhouse, it's always good for you.
Yes, the outside makes you fat, but here it's okay.
Did you get the cards?
No, I couldn't find them.
Oh.
What? I'll get them.
Sorry. Cute little desk. And then, want to see our trash can? Hold on. Here's our trash can. Right in this bag here. Okay.
Now show them our trash.
I did.
Oh.
Oh, look, I think Sabrina found the...
Hey! I didn't steal your chair. She's the one who stole your chair.
Our rapper never asked before he gave his phone.
Okay, okay, now we're gonna play Are You Smarter Than a Fifth Grader, but I'm actually gonna just post this video and then post another one to make the video shorter of us playing Are You Smarter Than a Fifth Grader. Bye!